In this video, we will learn how to graph using the slope-intercept method. We've done it before that the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. If your slope is positive, you want to go up and to the right. You can also reverse this and go down and left. Just do the opposite of what the arrows say. If your slope is negative, you want to go down and right, or you can also reverse it. I mainly use these two that I've circled. So what you want to do first is plot your y-intercept, and then you need to rise and run depending on whether your slope is positive or negative. So for my first example, I have y equals 2x plus 1. This is my y-intercept, 1. I would plot that first, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. My slope is 2, which is the same thing as saying 2 over 1. It is positive, so I'm going to go up and to the right. So I'm going to go from the y-intercept, I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. And these will be my my line. For the second example, I need to solve for y first, so I need to bring the 4x to the other side. I have 2y equals negative 4x plus 6. Divide by 2 to get y equals negative 2x plus 3. So this is the same thing as saying negative 2 over 1. My y-intercept is 3, so I'm going to go to the y-axis and start at 3. 1, 2, 3. This is my y right here. Then it says negative, so I'm going to go down 2 to the right 1. That's why I like doing these two. I always remember I go right, positive up, negative down. So from your y-intercept, go down 2 and to the right 1. And then there is my line. Then for my last example, again, I need to solve for y. So this is the same thing as saying y equals negative. Here, there's a 1. I'm going to go ahead and write it so I can know where to go. So here's my graph. Okay, there's no number here, so this tells me that my y-intercept is 0, so I'm going to start at 0, and then I'm going to go down because it's negative, so down by 1 and to the right 2. So from 0, you're going to go down 1 and to the right 1, 2. I could repeat it, by the way, if I wanted more points. You just start here and go down and 2, and so forth, but I'm just going to use those 2 points, and here's our line. That is how we use the slope-intercept method to graph.